Hey everyone, so I'm finally back with another property tour. Today we're on our way to Long Island City. We recently launched a new development project that consists of a bunch of townhouses. It's 38 townhouses in total and pretty much takes up half a city block. You're 2 blocks from the subway at Court Square and you're close to CUNY Law School and MoMA PS1. And there's also a Trader Joe's opening around the corner next year. These are some of the most unique 3 bedrooms on the market, so let's check it out.
Hey. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Townhouse on the Park.
So this is my colleague Chris. He handles the leasing and marketing at the building.
This is a 75-unit triplex home community. We have a penthouse style unit and a garden unit. It's set around a common courtyard. Everyone has a private outdoor space, their own private entrance, and in addition to the courtyard, you can share a fitness center. There will be an on-site super and package room in case you miss your deliveries. So let's take a look around.
So we're currently in the garden unit. This one is a 3-bedroom flex with 3.5 bathrooms. Right when you walk in, currently set up as a home office area. Essentially, you can kind of convert this into the 1-bedroom flex. You can build out a closet area over here and add a door. All right, so let's take a look at the rest of the house.
Hey, welcome.
So we're in the kitchen area. I can see the island looks like it can move.
Yeah, it's a rolling island. You can put it wherever you like. Just unlock the wheels, set it off to the side, move it further out. You've got Whirlpool stainless steel appliance package here. Our sinks have garbage disposal, which is really handy. It's going to cut down on all the waste that you have to throw into the trash. You've got the vent with the lights. It's a gas stove, and we have an open plan living dining. So it sweeps your eye right out to the patio. Let's head out to the garden. So you've got a private paved patio. You see your fenced here. Your gate leads out to the common courtyard. You can even take your pet out here as long as the pet's leashed. And you can come out with the kids, whatever you need to do.
Can you set up a barbecue area as well?
You could set up a barbecue. We are only allowed to use electric grills. That's really a city mandate. They've changed all their laws. And that would be the only thing we could probably do out here.
All right, so should we go downstairs?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right.
So this is the lower level / recreation area, set up as a multi-use space for any kind of needs you might have. You've got a desk area, you've got a hangout area to watch television, workout space.
So essentially we can even make this like another bedroom area or even a movie theater.
Sure, it's a great place to hang out with guests or have a friend crash. You've got a powder room also on this level, and your laundry is on this level, and there's a storage closet into.
So we're upstairs. Here there are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's start with the master bedroom. The master bedroom, you can see it's very spacious, has nice large windows. It's a king-size bed. You have plenty of space for nightstands and a dresser. All the master bedrooms also have a walk-in closet. And then they actually have 2 closets in here, so you actually have a wall closet here as well. The master bathroom, so they all have dual sinks, nice large vanity mirror, stand-up shower, and then only specific to the master bathroom, they do have radiant heated flooring as well. So this is the other main bathroom here. This one just has a regular tub. So you have a large vanity mirror, and then you actually have this extra one right here as well. This is the medicine cabinet here. And then this is the other bedroom. It's currently set up as a children's room. So this one's actually facing south. This is the front of the building. You can definitely fit a full-size bed in here comfortably and still have space for furniture. And then you have another wall closet here as well. So this one is the penthouse unit. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom. You again.
You're back. Welcome.
So I see here, this one has the actual island.
Yeah, this is a fixed island in the penthouse. 3 levels here, and this level also has full bed, full bath. Beyond that, we have 2 more levels, 2 beds, 2 baths, and the killer feature of the penthouse, the roof terrace.
Let's cue the cinema.
Hello, welcome to the roof terrace. So you've got a paved area, and then you've also got grass area.
It actually looks like real grass.
No, this is artificial grass. It's the expensive kind.
Nice. So this is Townhouse on the Park. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Let me know which unit you guys prefer more. Leave it down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for any future videos. I'll see you guys next time.